Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D's Star TV News Time. The headline says, Nnamdi Kanu blows hot, says he will begin dealing with any Igbo elders that talks garbage. Yes, now that one Nnamdi Kanu talk now, and we go take a look into how in take Nyana and when in Nyan the matter. But before we go into the full details on what Nnamdi Kanu talk, I want to just emphasize on some few things about this operation what happened yesterday in Olo. Because now the whole Uzodimma led fake government, his fake secretary, because since the governor in place is a fake person, then everybody when they work with him, all of them are fake people. His press secretary can't tell or low people, see, may they not worry, see, then they agitate for nothing, or say army people, then they do their normal exercise, they are not there for anybody. Whereas they don't arrest almost 33 people. That will not be the bone of contention. My question to these people, when do this exercise, when they don't, they already deny. As soon as they deny, which means say fear don't catch honor. Fear don't catch these people. Because they know what is coming. And that thing, when they come, must to come to honor doorstep. No matter how you deny this thing what happened yesterday in Olo. Now, my question to Hope Uzodimma led fake government. If una dey claim say they not come for anybody, or say they do their own exercise, I want to ask una question. How many times since in America una dey copy, or the British people una dey copy, or any country, or Japan, or anywhere, Israel, name it, any country una dey copy, or in Western world, since when una don grow, come see say American soldiers then they do this kind of exercise in their city? Since when una don see say British soldiers or British army or their police or their securities they do this kind of exercise? Now when una claim say na exercise, say nothing, no, make people not dey panic. Since when una don see say these countries when I name so far they do this kind of exercise inside the city where people they live? I won't get the answer from channel television people or any radio station when this Hope Uzodimma press secretary go nyan this thing when nyan. I won't get the answer. Because I may not do exercise in the city. Una claim say the Sambisa say big past Nigeria. Why army cannot go and do this exercise in Sambisa forest in order to make sure that these people panic? In order to panic this Boko Haram people, if una claim say na normal exercise. Because the forest now when they claim now say that in him that they do this thing now inside the city, because we don't see people, we don't see the videos, we don't see everything. So how many times we don't see American people or German people or British people or any country in this world, any Western countries, or in Russia, where they do all this kind of exercise in the city, their own city, when they are citizens that they live? If this one not be oppression. So ladies and gentlemen, nobody they buy into this their story. Nobody they buy into anybody's topic in Nigeria anymore regarding all these things, all these evils when the Fulani people they perpetrate against our people. Nobody. In fact, let me tell you something. If na northern cities this thing happen, we go still condemn them. If na Yoruba land when this things happen, the southwestern part of the country, we go still condemn them. Anywhere when it happen in the whole world, we go still condemn them. Because nowhere when things like this they happen, when una don't do una own finish, una will come and they propagate. They tell us, oh, na army, then they do their exercise. What exercise are they doing? Make una go Sambisa forest. Because I don't claim say that the biggest forest in the whole Nigeria or in the whole world. Make una go there, go do this on a practice. Well, on a practice, not inside Olo, not in Imo State, not in anywhere in southeastern part of Nigeria. The people when they do all this thing, ladies and gentlemen, now Boko Haram people now then can't do that thing. Now then can't do that thing when they do yesterday in Olo. They become the deceivers saying that army people. Take a look now. Una know see since yesterday we hear say ESM people see them down one of their helicopter or something. Yeah, one of their helicopter. Till today, army people they not great talk about. Nobody don't ever publish a full time in the news. But they everywhere in social media. The pictures, the videos, they everywhere in social media. But army people, because of shame, they not want publisher. They don't want to let the world know say ESN don't strike down their helicopter. Where they think they intimidate them. Can you imagine propagandas? They're not going to tell anybody. I never see them anywhere in any news platform in Nigeria. Okay? So, before we go into Nnamdi Kanu matter, ladies and gentlemen, I see make una subscribe to our channel and make sure say una share all our videos. If you come across my video, just share them, scatter, give people, so that all of us go they study, they learn, they know what in the way when Nigerian people they play and how they take the oppress us. When we say we now common Nigerian people will not get any political power, no any political position, nothing. We just commoners. So they are coming after us. They are coming to take over our heritage. So now we go to Nnamdi Kanu matter. Nnamdi Kanu blow hot says he will begin dealing with any Igbo elder that talks garbage. Ladies and gentlemen, if the IPOB people or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or ESM people, if they not deal with all these Igbo political elders when they are in Nigeria, all those people when they come they propagate for the Northerners, all those people when they come they propagate Buhari, all those when they propagate APC and PDP, all those when they talk nonsense about ESN, about Nnamdi Kanu, and about the IPOB people. All those people when they go sell Igbo secrets to the Northerners, we're in trouble. These people, they need to deal with them according to the way when Nnamdi Kanu talk. Because if they not deal with these people, forget. It would be very, very difficult for this Biafra to come. To those people, when they there, most especially, number one people now is Igbo, including Mozob members and its leader, Wembi Owazurike. If they not begin to deal with these people, forget. Biafra no go come into reality. So anybody when we say Idenyan Opata or they support the Northerners, when we say you come from Biafran land, they need to deal with all of them, one after the other. One after the other. If they not deal with them, it will be very difficult for this Biafra to come. So make we see how Nnamdi Kanu take talk. In this platform, we they support the Nyanes when Nnamdi Kanu Nyan about how anyone take to deal with anybody when call Nyan garbage or when they Nyan garbage in Igbo land. Whether you be billionaire or trillionaire in Igbo land, if you Nyan garbage, they will deal with you. Then others go learn lesson from there. Nnamdi Kanu blow scratching. The IPOB chief Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all via his reside broadcast, acknowledge from correct. Now henceforth we will begin coping with any Igbo elder that talks nonsense as quickly as further. Nnamdi Kanu acknowledged this as a result of some Igbo leaders. Elders are waiting the route of the Japanese safety neighborhood. Just some of them have refused to assist Biafra agitation. Anybody when not support Biafra must be dealt with. Now him Nnamdi Kanu they tell you that if you not support that agitation of Biafra to come and you be Igbo, whatever you call yourself, then go deal with you. They must come after you. Because now they carry all this Janjaweed terrorist people. They come Igbo land. Check them out now. Since when this thing don't happen, none of Hanese Ndigbo personnel don't come out, condemn within the Boko Haram people can't do in Biafran land in Olo yesterday. None of them. No Igbo political leader don't come and don't condemn this evil behavior. None of them. They are all in support. They are all in support. Supporting foreigners to come kill your people. Supporting foreigners to come take over your heritage because of personal interest, because of the money when they share give all of them. This time around, una no go fit eat that money again. I no fit take that kind of money again and continue selling Igbo people. Now him Nnamdi Kanu now they tell him, say no, all those things got to stop. If you not stop, Biafrans not go move forward. If they not stop these people, the whole political elders or leaders when they Biafran land, when they support the Janjaweed terrorists, they can't kill their people. If they not stop them, problem there in Biafran land. Record that Kanu launched ESN to flush out Fulani terrorists from the east. Nonetheless, some Igbo elders oppose him. Nnamdi Kanu acknowledged that the ESN is doing an excellent job and it is the obligation of each Igbos to assist them. He warned that Nigerians ought to seize 14 Fulani herdsmen for carrying AK-47, urge each Nigerian citizen to get his or her non-public AK-47 and put collectively for the battle that is coming. The battle ahead, ladies and gentlemen, not be small thing, no. Even not be say, not be this one, no. The thing when they behind this agenda, it pass everybody. It pass everybody. Because this thing when the northerners they do, this thing when Fulani people, Fulani government they do, they're not a joke, brother. They are not joking, no. They are not joking. This isn't the primary time Nnamdi Kanu is elevating the alarm of battle in Nigeria. Kanu is taught for his prophecy as a result of they do come to the cross. He warned the Igbo elders, politicians to stay clear from sabotaging or talking within the route of Biafra agitation. ESN, as they will face, they will have IPOB to cope them. It is an open secret that some Igbo elders supplied their land to herdsmen contained in the southeast. Just some of them don't assist the thoughts about evicting herders from the southeast. They shared calling for Nigeria's unity as a replacement of combating for freedom. Nnamdi Kanu acknowledged the complete Igbo elders backing the Fulani herdsmen will bear of their hands. We will not tolerate any Igbo elders that talk and assist one Nigeria as quickly as further. So, now that one when Nnamdi Kanu don't come tell everybody again. And don't talk and now say, if you be Igbo man, you dey support Fulani herdsmen, you dey support one Nigeria, you are in trouble. you are in trouble. You are in a very, very big trouble. So if they send out this message to a lot of people, when they call saboteurs, people when they sabotage his efforts, people when they sabotage IPOB ESN efforts, people when they sabotage the effort of this coming of Biafra. We know all of them, like I said before, they know where they live, they know where they stay, they know where they walk, they know everything. So, una better step back now. Even all the whole governors, serving present governors in Biafran land, their hand they inside. Serving and present ministers in Biafran land, their hand they inside. A lot of people hand they inside the matter. Both serving and non-serving one. The ones when don't retire and the one when see they walk, all of them. Their hand they inside the whole thing. So ladies and gentlemen, now here we will stop this program. I see when I don't hear waiting Nnamdi Kanu don't tell on now. So if you know, see you dey sabotage the effort of the coming of this Biafra, make you move your hand. If you know, see do they go they talk nonsense, they give the northerners, they give them secrets, because like these people, and then they give them secrets. And if they not give them secrets, there is no how when army will come bomb Allah. There is no how when army, because I don't tell them before, see now only unity go win all these things. We are deeply divided. Now that division, now him they make all this Boko Haram, they get access to Igbo land. If all the whole Igbos, everybody, all the whole Biafran people, Biafrans in general, them put their heads together, army no fit coming, herdsmen no fit coming, Boko Haram no fit coming, if all of them are put on our heads together. But now that loophole, now here they see, then divide well. Then those people will not support the agitation of Biafra. Now then them they go collect money in Abuja. Now then they sabotage their the efforts of people when believe in Biafra. Now them they go sell them in Abuja. Now them they go give them intelligence and informations. How they go take come, how they go take act, how they go take do, where they go, the areas where they go, destroy. Now these people will not support Biafra. That is number one of them. Now the Ohanese Ndigbo people and the ex-governors on the Biafran land, including the serving governors. And Wazurike, not forget, so Wazurike don't claim say him na stakeholder in Nigeria. In one Nigeria. So anything when Wazurike takes come out, maybe in one like this condemnation, because you don't come and condemn army people on this matter, on this thing what happened yesterday, on this killing, on this bombing of Olo. Now just mere talking. Make it not be like say you not talk. That's all. That guy na big betrayer. Even Mefo, the one they call Uche Mefo, now the man don't join them. These people, they are not good people. You have to be very, very careful. If you hear all these names in Nigeria, run for them. Run for them, ladies and gentlemen. So now here we go stop. I say before you stand up, please subscribe to our channel so that whenever we upload videos, we're gonna get them straight. Don't need to search for Funky D's Star TV program or Star TV News. You don't need that. The thing will come. All right. So one love, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.